Ripple is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ripple analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, yesterday we saw that move to the 49 cent, and I mentioned that we would be looking for a possible bounce and a rejection pattern on Ripple. That's exactly what we're seeing here on the 4-hour. We saw the bounce, we saw the rejection, and now we are continuing consolidating between these two support lines. So what's next? Ideally, I would like to see that clean bounce, break below, find this as support, and then decide whether we're going to continue pushing to the high sets for that double top formation, or whether or not we're going to break this support level and then continue pushing lower to the downside. Ideally, the bullish case scenario would be we break above these exponential moving averages on this resistance level, find this as support, and then another move retesting this major resistance at 56 cents mark. If we do break above this 56 cent, we are going to be extremely bullish on Ripple because the next resistance level will be around the 75 cents. Ideally, we'd be looking for a long position once we get confirmation of that support bouncing, but on the bearish case scenario, if we do break below this 47 cent mark and find that rejection and then the continuation, our support level is going to be 36 cents. Ideally, until then, this is just going to be a consolidation range between these two major resistance and major support levels. But speaking on this, let's look at the basics, right? We can see that we did have this beautiful BART formation and then this consolidation, right? I mentioned to you guys this many times that when you see a candlestick just pretty much going up with no sort of pullback, these moves tend to break down a lot higher, right? We do see a bigger consolidation than a larger move to the downside in one candlestick. You have to be really careful about that, right? So if you start to see Ripple start trading below this 47 cent mark and consolidating here, you will see that 4-hour candlestick drop to the support level, and then we will see a bounce. Now, of course, in the bullish case, this could have been the situation right over here too, where we saw this pullback downwards. A lot of short sellers got interested here because they thought that this was going to be the BART formation down, but then you can see we had the news update right here, consolidation, and then continue pushing higher. So you have to be careful and make sure you get the proper entry before you enter too soon, because you can get wrecked just going like this way, right? When you start consolidating like this and you start seeing moves higher and higher, you have to be very careful before entering a short position. Now, on the lower time frames, you can see for Ripple, we are still consolidating quite nicely right below the exponential moving averages with some beautiful rejection candles though, right? On the 4-hour, we are rejecting that well, but we are rejecting on the 1-hour. You can see that we tried to break above these exponential moving averages. We got a test of that bounce confirmation, but we failed to break below and continued pushing lower. Now we are testing it as resistance and hitting these levels multiple times. Ideally, though, you don't want to be entering any position until you get this level 47 cent tested. This is not a test, just to make that clear, guys. This level is not a test. You want to see a clean test of that support level and then the continuation higher, right? A lot of traders mistake this as a test and then continue entering a long position, and then the very next candlestick is to see a huge drop to the downside. They're like, well, what happened? Well, ideally, because this level wasn't tested, you can see that move, have that confirmation, and go straight down. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.